Porsche Exclusive Manufaktur has showcased a unique example of Sonderwunsch Factory Commissioning with a 911 Turbo S. This vehicle, recently displayed at the Fuori Concorso event, was designed to align with this year's theme, British Racing Green. The custom car featured an urban bamboo effect paint finish, highlighting the possibilities of the Sonderwunsch program. The vehicle boasts numerous special features, including a striking Chromaflair effect paint in urban bamboo, painted design strips, and a distinctive leather interior with varied colors and extensive cross-stitching. This bespoke model impressed so much that it was sold to Guglielmo Miani, head of Milan's luxury brand Larusmiani, during a consultation in Zuffenhausen. The car was later exhibited at the Fuori Concorso 2022 at Lake Como, an event celebrating automotive culture, founded by Miani. Inspired by one of the four Porsche 959s built by Porsche's predecessor department in the late 1980s, the Sonderwunsch 911 Turbo S reflects Porsche's long history of factory customization. The model features a painstakingly hand-painted urban bamboo finish using the Chromaflair process, resulting in a color-changing effect based on light and angle. Interior highlights include a tricolor stripe on the door panels and color-blocked front seat centers in slate gray, agave green, and island green. The intricate cross-stitching in island green is a standout feature, enhancing the luxurious feel of the car. With nearly 50 custom items, the Sonderwunsch model also includes a special mark indicating the year of completion, inspired by Porsche's historic manufacturer's world champion decals from the 1970s.